So, hi Vinod, how are you?
I am doing good. How are you?
I'm also doing good. Thank you so much for asking about me.
Okay. So, uh, so we are meeting first time. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, of course. I would like to introduce myself and thanks for giving me this opportunity. I would love to introduce myself. Well, my name is Shilpa and I am speaking from the central part of Delhi, which is known as capital of the India, right? Apart from this, if I'm talking about my qualification, I have completed my post graduation from IGNOU University, and in my family members, 6 members, and I'm the one of the 4 siblings. Okay, so apart from this, if I talk about my hobbies, I love reading books, and if I go into the books, reading books, I can spend hours and hours, hours and hours. That's all about myself. Thank you so much. Would you like to
Okay.
introduce yourself?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much. I would like to say about me. My name is Vinod. I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I have
Okay, very
completed
nice.
arts. I have completed Bachelor of Arts from TAVV University, and my hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies. My strength is I am hard worker. Now, nowadays I am working job. I am computer operator. My work is typing work. It's a very simple work. Uh, that's all about me.
Very nice. Glad to know about you that I am talking about the person who is speaking from the Bhopal. Very nice.
Okay, thank you so much. So you are from Delhi.
Yes, I'm from Delhi.
Okay, so you are working job.
Yes, I work as an accountant in logistic company and right now I'm in my job, but I made some time to speaking with you because I didn't get time so much, but I hardly managed that you have been messaging me for long time to connect with me.
Yes, yes,
So I
yes.
thought yes, but because of the office work, I did get time. So I decided to talk to yourself right now.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Uh, so you are working and I disturb you again and again.
No, no, it's okay. Actually, you are not disturbing me. Actually, I want to improve myself. So why you are disturbing me? No, you are not disturbing me. I want to improve my English so that if I don't talk to anyone, how can I improve myself? How can I improve my language skills? So you are not disturbing me, but I don't make that much time that I can connect with the people. So whenever I get time, I try to connect with the people, or I rarely connect with the people because of my office work. That's why.
Okay, that's great. So
Okay.
which work do you have in office?
I am an accountant.
Okay,
I manage
okay,
accounts work. Yeah.
okay. I got it. Your point. S- So, so which topic do you want to talk, and which topic do you have? Do you have any topic so we can discuss?
Uh, yeah, we can discuss any general topic that about the English literature, that why we are learning English, or many things about the English, so that we can understand. Or if I upload my video on YouTube channel, so my viewers can also understand easily that why English is important and why how English can be improved easily. So I would like to ask the question that how long have you been using, how long have you been learning English language?
I have been learning this language for 1 year.
Okay. And how?
I have been learning English myself. Okay, so
Okay.
Sometime I watch video, I watch story, listen song, and
Okay.
sometime I write story, and I want to talk. I want to talk English people because they are very important for practice. Okay, and
Hmm.
in, this language is global language. If we know English, we can go abroad and we can get a good job, good designation.
Hmm.
We can earn a lots of money if we know this language. What is your
Very.
opinion this language?
Yeah, I also think that English is a widely spoken language. It is spoken in a world, and we can't deny the fact that English is spoken everywhere. Every child, every young girl, every citizen wants to learn this language because this is a world language. It is spoken in the world. So everywhere we can use this language, or we can easily understand this language rather than other languages. For no one can understand easily Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu, or other language, but English, I think mostly people can easily understand. Or as we know that English is a widely spoken language, so everyone can easily understand. So
Yes,
that is why I think I am also learning this language, and that is why I think you are also learning this language because you want to improve in your field, right? So that is why I think English is most important language to learn, to write, to understand. We can easily understand our opinions to make to someone
yes,
who can easily understand English. Maybe I would say that everyone can easily understand.
yes. You are saying right. And if we purchase anything like we purchase like tablet, and if we purchase anything, if we go mall, and so so they write in English. If we know English, we can purchase uh, good product. And if we know English, we can read which is tablet, and the tablet is good or bad. Okay, and there are a lots of course like engineer. If we do
Mm,
engineering, if we do MBBS, so they are uh, they are in English language. If we know English very well, and so we can
mm,
we can achieve that degree. What is
mm.
your opinion?
Yeah, you are right that if we are going to purchase any medicine or any take any courses, yes, English is a most important language that we can easily read or understand. That we are going to learn any course, if we are join any course, so yes, we can easily understand. English is a vital
Yes,
language.
and
Without English, I don't
if
think
we
so. We
want a
can.
good job,
Sorry.
if we want a good job, and if we go any company for English, so
Yeah.
they want a good
Yes.
communication skill, and
Yes.
they
Yes.
want
Yes.
English language
Okay.
everywhere.
Huh. Yeah. 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 Okay. I would like to ask you a question that, as you mentioned, that whenever we give the interview, English is important. So, how many times did you give interviews? And how
I
many
have
times did you fail because of the English?
uh, I I have given interview 2 times.
Okay.
And I have given interview 2 to 4 times. And interviewer ask question in English. Okay, so interviewer want good communication skill and good English. If we know English
Mm.
very well, so we can join that company easily. And if
Mm.
we don't know English, so we cannot join that company.
I can understand that because of the English language, we can be fired sometime from the companies. Yeah, I can understand that. I have seen so many times because of the English language, everyone, most of the people can be fired. Yeah.
Yes, yes, because
So, okay, because of the English language, have you ever faced this situation?
what are you talking? Please tell me again.
I'm talking about that you gave 2 or 3 times interview, right?
Yes, yes, I
You
have
gave
given.
2 to 3 times interview. So, did you ever feel that because of the English language, I am not able to join this job or this company?
Yes, yes. Mm, if if we don't know English, okay, so
Hmm.
if we give interview, so that time we cannot understand company policy because they are talking
Hmm.
in English, okay, and they they will they will say in English. So if we if we know English, so we can understand that policy, and we can understand what they are saying, okay. And if we don't know English, so we cannot understand what they are talking to me. So that's why mm, I was giving interview. Interviewer asked me, what about you?
Hmm.
Why are you join our company? So did you mm, can you do rotational shift? So
Hmm.
if we don't know English, how can we give answer interviewer? That's why. So yeah, sometime we are giving interview. So we first of of all we have to learn this language, and after that we should give interview.
Yeah, definitely. So here I would like to
Otherwise,
ask one more question that yes.
okay, tell me.
Here I would like to ask one more question that is can be quite twisted for you. That is that, for example, you are in front of the interviewer and you are being interviewing with the people. That time the people are asking about the question in English. What would you do if you are not able to understand English, or if you are not able to speak English that much that they want? What would you do at that time?
So that time, uh, if if we are not able to give answer, so interviewer said me, so he interviewer said you you are not speaking very well. You should practice. After that, you come again. After that, you will give interview again. They said.
Hmm. Okay.
They
So,
will say,
but okay. So at that time, will you leave that uh, interview, or will you continue the interview at that time in Hindi or your
we
native
cannot
language?
continue in Hindi. We we cannot continue in Hindi because mm, they want this language. Company will say you please uh, please learn this language. After that you will come again.
Hmm. Very nice. Would you ask any question to me?
Uh, Now I don't have any question. I wanted to ask you. You have given interview and now you are working. So, so which question company asked you?
Actually, as I told you that I work as an accountant. So I was asked like that question that I had been asked related accounts question
Okay,
or
okay.
about myself. So as I know, as I know that I can easily speak about myself. That I can about myself, or I can introduce myself very easily. Or if I'm talking about my interview about the accounts. So for
Okay.
for interview for account, I think we should have the knowledge. We are going to have the interview, so I think we should have the knowledge about the topic, right?
Yes, yes, right, right. You are saying right. So you have a knowledge accountant. So
Yeah.
you join easily.
Obviously, as I told you that I work as an accountant in
Yes,
logistic
yes,
company, right? So if I go any interview, I will be asked account related question. So when
yes.
I have the knowledge about the accounts, that's why we can connect the we can complete my interview. We can join that company, right?
Yes, yes. If you have a knowledge, if you have a degree, you can join that company easily.
Yes. Okay.
So,
Would you like to ask one more another question?
mm, okay, now we should wrap up the call. We will talk later. We will talk tomorrow.
Sure. I will try to connect with you, and we will. This time, I think we wrap up the session. So yes, definitely we can wrap up. And thank you so much for giving your precious time. And I'm sorry for that. That I have been not connecting with long time for long time. But it's okay actually. As I mentioned earlier, that I because of my job I'm not able to connect the people, so that's why I did not connect with you.
Okay, okay, no problem. And thank you so much. You give me this opportunity and you made me this session.
Thank you so much.
Okay, okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Okay.